In this video, you will learn how to use the cold tack feature of our DTX-2200. You'll start by powering on your DTX-2200. Next, you'll select your welding process, which does have to include a high frequency start. Next, we'll toggle this switch to enable the cold tack feature, which is shown by this symbol. From here, you can set the timer of your cold tack. This would be 1 second. We will start with 0.2 seconds for our first cold tack. We will then set our amperage. In this case, we will start with 70 amps. You will begin the cold tack process by touching the tip of your tungsten to your workpiece. You will then fully depress your foot pedal. After this, you will slowly raise the tungsten off of the workpiece. One useful way to use the cold tack feature is on thin wall stainless tubing. Cold tack can help because you have preset your amperage and timer. This allows your tacks to be very consistent and you can place the tacks more quickly.